You turn on an induction stove, and something strange happens. The pan starts heating up almost instantly. But the stove itself? It doesn't feel hot. In fact, you could touch it, and it's barely warm. So what's actually happening here? Because if there's no flame, no glowing coil, no visible heat source, how is your food cooking? It almost feels like the heat is coming from nowhere, but it's not. It's coming from something you can't see. Magnetic fields. Let me explain. Inside an induction stove, there's a tightly wound coil of wire. When electricity flows through that coil, it creates a rapidly changing magnetic field. Not a static one, a moving, shifting field. And that detail matters. Because this magnetic field doesn't heat the stove, it passes right through the surface and reaches the pan. But not just any pan. Only pans made of certain metals, like iron or steel. Now here's where it gets interesting. When that changing magnetic field reaches the pan, it creates tiny electric currents inside the metal. These are called eddy currents. You can't see them, but they're constantly moving inside the pan. And as those currents move, they face resistance. And resistance creates heat. So the heat isn't coming from below, it's being generated inside the pan itself. That's why induction cooking feels so fast. Because there's no delay. No transfer of heat from stove to pan. The pan becomes the heat source. Now think about that for a second. The stove isn't heating your food. The pan is. And the stove is just triggering that process. Now here's something even more interesting. If you remove the pan, the heating stops instantly. Not slowly. Immediately. Because without the metal, there's nothing for the magnetic field to act on. No currents. No heat. Which is why induction stoves are considered much safer. No open flame. No red-hot surface. Just controlled energy, activated only when needed. Now you might be wondering, why doesn't it work with all cookware? Why only certain pans? Because the whole process depends on magnetism. If the material isn't magnetic, like pure aluminum or glass, the magnetic field passes through, but doesn't create those currents effectively. So no heat is generated. That's why some pans simply don't work, unless they have a magnetic base. Now here's a detail most people miss. Even though the stove itself doesn't generate heat directly, it can still feel warm after cooking. Why? Because the pan transfers some of its heat back to the surface. So the stove isn't heating itself, it's being heated by the pan. Now here's where it gets even more interesting. Induction stoves are also more efficient. In traditional gas stoves, a lot of heat escapes into the air. Same with electric coils. But here, most of the energy goes directly into the pan, which means faster cooking and less wasted energy. But the real magic is how invisible everything is. No flame, no glow, no obvious heat source, just a surface and heat appearing exactly where it's needed. And once you understand that, something clicks. Because now, an induction stove doesn't feel mysterious anymore. It feels precise, controlled, almost surgical in the way it delivers heat, heating only the pan and nothing else. And the next time you turn it on, you'll realize you're not just cooking. You're using a system that creates heat inside the object itself without ever needing to heat the surface first.